You've seen that crazy locked-on stabilization where subject stays perfectly still while the background moves like magic. Most people think that you need Fusion for this, but guess what? You don't. Today I'm showing you how to get that killer stabilization effect in DaVinci Resolve without using Fusion. Let's jump in and get started. So we're going to work with this clip here, and you can see this is just a person running towards the camera, and you can clearly see the up and down movement. So we want to lock on her face. So for that, go to the color tab, switch to the tracker, switch to the stabilizer, click on these three dots and switch to the classic stabilizer. Now click on this interactive mode, so it will generate keys to track. What we need to do is zoom into her face and just draw a rectangle over her eye, like so, and click on this clean all points, clear all tracking points. So everything is cleared, and now if I'm going to click on this one, the insert, it will insert only points for the selected area. And now I need to click track forwards and backwards and wait till DaVinci analyzes everything. And now that it's finished, we need to click stabilize and make sure this zoom is activated so it will not create black borders around your video. And now if we are going to actually play this back, you can see that her face is locked and everything else is moving. So basically, this is the way to create locked-on stabilization effect without Fusion. And if you want to place a text behind your subject without using Fusion, you should watch this tutorial next.